Hey guys, Glenn Murray, affiliate profit pages. This is my third start. I didn't have my mic turned on. Anyway, we are talking about XFaucet review and demo today. What is XFaucet? Or what are faucets even? Crypto faucets are just little tiny programs that allow you to earn cryptocurrency for performing tasks, like you watch a video or you click on a link or something like that, and you can earn a little fraction of cryptocurrency. Well, there's a great one called Faucet, and I'll show you exactly how to get yours set up, and it's very simple, guys. And I would say if you did it 2 or 3 times a day, you could start accumulating a great little cryptocurrency portfolio in a whole bunch of different tokens. So I think they have about how many is it? Let's see. Let me just see here. By the way, while I'm looking here, make sure, let's see, there's 10 different tokens you can earn from. So first things first, let's get subscribed. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, say, hey Glenn, nice to see you on here. Check out some of my other videos. There's a ton of videos on here about how to make money online. And if you're looking, remember, this is just a little passive income program that will help you earn some crypto. And what's cool is you can share it, and then you can earn crypto from the people that are also doing these little tasks each day. And each task, each time you want to log into it and do it, it'll take you about maybe 3 minutes to earn your segment in each of the 10 cryptos that they're providing. So first off, what did I tell you what a faucet was? Yes, I did. Okay, let me show you exactly what I'm gonna show you today. So first off, you're gonna go to this page here, and you're going to put your email in, and you're going to be able to earn any of these, all of these, totally free. This does not cost anything. If you want to, when you get to this page, if you want to tweet it or send it onto your Facebook, I would really appreciate it. And guys, if you want a page just like this, message me and I will give you this page to use, because you do want to be collecting an email before you send anyone to any program. So this is just sort of a bridge page. It gets rid of the tire kickers. It makes sure that people are serious about doing this. So you're going to go there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to sign in, and you will be, it takes minutes to sign in, guys. There's no, you just basically put in your email, and you're going to be taken to this. You have to set up an iCoinPays account, but that's totally free too. It takes you like a matter of a couple of minutes to basically set up. Once you get set up here, this is what you're going to see in your back office, and it's a very simple site. It's and this is how you're going to be able to make the money here. What all you need to do now, just watch this. I'm going to claim my Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on this, and XFaucets will pop me up a little free Bitcoin faucet. So what is the task I'm going to be performing? I'm probably going to be looking at an ad for a few seconds, and that's it. So right here it says claim up to 40 Satoshi BTC every 10 minutes. So I'm going to hit claim. Boom. It's going to pop up a little thing. It's going to ask me if I'm a bot. I am not a robot. I'll click that. Sometimes it shows a captcha, like pick the 5 bicycles or what have you, and sometimes it doesn't. And guys, it's running slow right now because whenever I'm doing a video, for some reason my video software doesn't really like running the running the internet. So then I hit claim, and there I have successfully claimed my 4 Satoshi Bitcoins, and that's it, guys. So I got it, and then I will close that page, and then I can move on to the next one, and I'll collect some Dogecoin. So guys, you can do this like every 10 minutes. If you've got nothing to do, if you're sitting around the internet, and maybe you're doing, monitoring something or whatever, or maybe you're watching a movie, you could sit here and watch a movie and do this every 10 minutes. Just start collecting stuff. Better yet is to send out your referral link and get people to refer you. So I'm just going to claim this. Again, it's going to pop up that CAPTCHA. I'm not a robot. And put the check mark in there. See what this page is getting. They're getting paid to show these banners, right? So they share a portion of the profit of that advertisement, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So guys, you just have to go through, boom, 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 click it, and you can start claiming. claiming all these coins. Now the other thing is this right here on the page, you're going to get a share a link form. Now, if you do want to share it on, say you want to share this, and say you don't want to collect emails, which I recommend not doing that. Make sure you collect emails because you can always send them a follow-up email to make sure they do that. If you wanted to share this on social media, I would not recommend sharing this link. I would go over and in Gmail, create a Google Doc, right? And what I did is, and you guys can grab this image if you want. I'll give you the link. It'll be there. Grab this image or make a screenshot of it. I would just make a quick Google Doc with an image, and then you click this link, and you could put your affiliate link in it. And then at the bottom here, I just wrote, learn how to earn crypto tokens every 10 minutes by clicking here. And then I made a link, which is this little icon here, right here. And then you put in your link. I'm linking this to my capture page, of course. You don't have to. You could link it directly to the program, whatever you want. But when you then share this, guys, Facebook will never block this because it's a Google Doc. It's never going to block it. Now, what you want to do is you want to copy. Oops. Let me show you how to do this. Hit share, copy link. And right now I've got it set for anyone on the internet with the link can view. Okay, so they can't edit it, but they can view it. So you can change that, you can make it private, but you really want to have that setting there. And then you want to copy the link, pop over to Bitly, and then throw it into a Bitly, make a Bitly out of it or whatever. That way, so Facebook is never going to block Bitly, and Facebook is never going to block Google Docs, and you're not exposing any of your domains to being blocked by Facebook. Now, Twitter is another thing. If you wanted to just go tweet it on Twitter, you could probably just use the affiliate link because Twitter really doesn't block any URLs. So hopefully, guys, that is helpful for you. It's a very cool little program. I just started earning. I've sent it out. I've got a bunch of referrals there, so other people are clicking now. So I'm making residual Bitcoin. It's not a lot. It's fractions of pennies, but as they add up, just like CryptoTab. If you don't have that, that's another great one. I'll put a link in the description for CryptoTab. I put on CryptoTab every night before I go to bed. I just let it run on my computer while it's going, and it mines while I do it. I've probably made about $400 or $500 mining crypto that way, just letting my computer run in just a couple of months. Well, maybe it's been about 6-7 months I've been letting it run. Yeah, about 6 months I've been letting it run each night, and it just runs in the background and does the thing. And then I turn it off when I'm using my computer because it does slow down for other processing. So I'll put the link for CryptoTab in the description as well. Now, if you're looking to really make money and make high-ticket commissions, not this sort of pennies, which is great, but you really want to make some really good commissions, underneath the description here, you're going to see my #1 recommended online business. Click that and go join it. I highly recommend it. It is where you're going to make, if you want to make $1,000 commissions, it's very easy to do. You just follow all the instructions. You're going to go through a little training camp. You're going to get a coach, and they're going to show you exactly how to do it. So that's what I have for you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, throw a comment down below. Yeah, and I hope this is helpful for you. I will see you on the next one. This has been my XFaucet review and demo. Cheers.